FirstStepReading.com. Teach your child to read with our free video lessons. Over 50 free video lessons are available at FirstStepReading.com. Just click on the free video lessons link. Select your reading level and a list of videos will appear. Select a video and start teaching your child to read. FirstStepReading.com. Teach your child to read with our free video lessons.
Do you know the OO sound, the OO sound, the shoe sound? Do you know the WHO sound? Read them now with me.
OO, ma oo, ma oo, ma oo, moo. Ra oo, ra oo, ra oo, roo. Da oo, da oo, da oo, do. Na oo, na oo, na oo, new. Sh oo, sh oo, sh oo, shoe. Ha oo, ha hoo, ha oo, hoo. Ooh.
Now you know the OO sound, the OO sound, the shoe sound. Now you know the WHO sound. Thanks for singing with me. Now you know some new sounds, some new sounds, some new sounds. Now you know some new sounds. Thanks for singing with me.
Notice, we've created a series of practice reading books that correspond to each video lesson. The reading books allow your child to apply the knowledge learned in each video. Practice reading books are available at FirstStepReading.com.